John Perry, Clever Property Management. So we're working on a historic building or renovation to bring back as much of the original building as we can. You can see some here. We've got box gutters being rebuilt. We're going to be reconstructing this deck here. And one of the things we have to deal with is this right here. So what they did was, when they were putting vinyl or aluminum on this building, the contractors sawed off the corners to make it an easier edge to round out and wrap with their aluminum and vinyl. So one of the things we've come up with is a solution that we saw off the entire piece down the front. You can see the seam here, and that seam will be covered, and these screw holes will be sealed in. Everything will be repainted, showing no seam line. But what's really cool is, it used to, you can see the pitch there, the water runs off and then it would come down here and then it would track under here, hit the house, and create a water issue. So what the contractors did is they tucked in this little groove right here, and what that's going to do is that's going to create water running here, and then when it runs underneath, it's going to hit there and then drop straight down, staying off the house. And that is clever construction. Oh, it's starting to rain. Remember, if you have a question, be clever, ask a professional.